Welcome to the future of event planning, where innovation meets elegance and precision is at your fingertips. We're excited to announce our partnership with Momentus Technologies to bring you EventDraw, a revolutionary tool that's set to transform the way you plan and design events. At EventDraw, simplicity is the key. We've developed a platform that is powerful yet easy to use, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating exceptional experiences. EventDraw's intuitive interface is designed for speed and efficiency. In just a few clicks, you can craft detailed, visually stunning event layouts that reflect your unique vision. Whether you're planning a dynamic concert, corporate event, or intimate performance, EventDraw adapts seamlessly to your venue's specific requirements. The platform's flexibility ensures that every element is perfectly aligned with your needs, optimizing space and enhancing the overall flow of your event. But EventDraw goes beyond just functionality. It empowers you to create visually stunning layouts that leave a lasting impression on your audience. From the largest stadiums to the most unique and unconventional spaces, EventDraw allows you to bring your creative ideas to life, ensuring that your event is both functional and visually captivating. Our collaboration with Momentus Technologies underscores our commitment to innovation and excellence. Together, we've delivered a solution that not only simplifies the event planning process, but also elevates it to new heights. EventDraw is more than just a planning tool, it's your partner in creating events that are unforgettable. Experience the next level of event planning today with EventDraw, where innovation, elegance, and simplicity come together to create extraordinary events.